This is me. Lemon is one of my favorite things. The flavor is bright, a treat, both tart and sour, but when it bakes with some honey or something else sweet, you get wonderful. But if we are talking just lemons, a symbol explaining life, living pain that becomes my whole world, the feelings of hopelessness, loneliness, strife, is all that is left of me. But it's not what I want to become. I want more than pain is my life, with a false empty smile to show to the world really only one choice. I choose fight. I choose to save me, the positive me, who sees hope, not rain, but the rainbow. Instead of becoming an empty shell, I decide that pain as my life has to go, while I still care enough to make changes. So, this is me making lemonade. What do I do when the basket's too full and the lemons are overflowing? What do I do when life's just too hard to keep up? It's just too overwhelming. I stop to consider and ponder the load that has led to this fork in my life, embracing the pain and the loss that I feel. Keep on going, my choice to fight. It takes will every day, looking forward, not back, making choices that lead me to feel. Choosing joy in each moment, then hour and day, each small step is starting to heal. Not my body, myself, not diseases, my heart. Then my mind can move forward, not back. I accept who I am, my heart, body, and mind. Only then I see color, not black. Yes, life is still hard, but my focus has changed to see and create more positive things and to stop and give thanks for the life that I have, not dwelling on pain, what it brings. With my basket of lemons, I choose to create lemonade, oh so yummy, lemon cookies and loaf, and oh lemon pie, until I feel life can be sunny. When I started this journey, looking forward by choice, sometimes I would sneak a peek back, but what I saw there was cloudy and gloomy, alone, melancholy, attacked. Choosing more, though it's painful, pain is not my life, is something that makes me have hope. A future, though different, can still bring me joy. I am not merely learning to cope. Painting rocks and on canvas, telling stories that reach other people to choose something better. My kitchen smells grand, making lemons taste heavenly. Looking forward is taking my stand. And so I choose to make lemonade.